Hello, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're a regular viewer, you will be able to see that I am not in my own kitchen. I'm in my son's kitchen today. I've come to visit him at his uni for a couple of days, and when I come here I normally do film something. I've done a pasta dish. What else? A cheese and potato pie I made here too. Something very simple and something very quick, kind of more half and half convenience and home baking really than all from scratch. So today I'm taking the opportunity to make this Betty Crocker chocolate fudge brownies, and I'm going to add extra chocolate chips because I always add something extra. So first we need to line the tin. I've cut a piece of greaseproof paper. This tin is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and it will just fit just one way, so we can, once the cake is baked, we can just lift it out using the paper. But first I need to put a little bit of oil in the bottom just to grease it. And I'm using oil today because when you use oil in the cake or muffins, you grease the tin with oil. When you use butter, you grease the tin with butter. And this underneath bit will just make it stick on the bottom. So we'll just place that in there and grease on the top of it. And set that aside and we'll start making the brownies. So this is what comes in the packet, just a kind of a chocolatey mixture. And I'm using this bowl to mix it in because my son hasn't got a bowl for mixing anything in. So a big jug will suffice. It's very simple, just tip it all in. And it's to this mixture that I add the extra chocolate chips. And I'm adding 2 bags today, 2 100-gram bags. And give that just a little bit of a mix around to distribute evenly all these chocolate chips in the mixture. These chocolate chips just add a little bit more to the brownie. To this we need to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3, and 5 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And crack 1 egg into it and we're done. So simple. And give that a good mix. And this is the same as any cake when you're mixing the flour in. You need to make sure that all the mixture, all the dry mixture is mixed into the oil, water and egg. So get right down the bottom of your bowl. All that remains to do is to tip it in the pan. And just spread it out with a knife to the corners. There, perfect. So that now goes in the oven on 180 if you haven't got a fan oven, 160 if you have a fan oven, and I will put somewhere around the Fahrenheit for you when I return home, because on the back of here they don't give you the Fahrenheit, so I will supply it for you. And that goes in for 20 to 25 minutes. So that's the timer. My brownies have had 22 minutes. We'll get them out and see if they're done. If you can see that, they're not quite coming away from the side, so I'm going to give them 3 more minutes. So it does say on the Betty Crocker box to put a knife in 5 centimeters from the side of the tin, and if it comes out clean, they're done. but it won't come out clean if you've got chocolate chips in there like I have. So we'll just need to wait until it looks very well done around the edges, but it's still a bit brownie, you know, that kind of the gooey brownie stuff in the middle, okay? My brownies for now had 25 minutes. Let's see if they're done. Oh, lovely. Look at those. And they will need to stay in the tin until nearly cool, then we'll get them out and put them on the wire rack. So the brownies have been cooling for about half an hour. And I'm just going to run a knife down the side that the paper's not on. So just to loosen that. And that just lifts off like that. And it's ready to eat. So all that remains to do is cut it into 12 pieces. So that's 3 one way. And 2 the other. There, perfect. So today mine's a coffee because coffee just goes better with a brownie. And let's have a taste. Oh, so delicious. So thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me the old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you again next week.